Hello everyone, this is Vishal from Align Motions. Hope you all good. And today I am coming with a new video to show you how you can remove the irregularities using frequency separation. You think what is frequency separation? So as we all know that every picture has two things, colors and textures. So in frequency separation we separate these two things. Now let's start with our model. In background layer, take true copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J two times. Rename the first layer as color and second layer as texture. Hide the texture layer and in color layer we have to blur the textures. So go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur and adjust when the textures are smooth and hit OK. Now again I tell you a picture contains two things, colors and textures. So if we subtract the colors from original image, we got what? Texture. In texture layer, go to the image, apply image and change the layer to color, blending mode to subtract and scale up to 2 and offset 128 and hit OK. Now change the blending mode to linear light. And interestingly, if we hide both of these layers, we don't see any difference between original image and these two layers. You don't see any difference. Now select both the layers and group the layers by pressing Ctrl or Command G. Rename this layer as FS, frequency separation. In color layer, take the lasso tool and select those areas where the color is looking odd. And adjust the feathers to 10 to 15 pixels. And go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Select again and again and go to the filter, blur, Gaussian blur. I'm fasting forwarded this video so you boys can't get bored. Now, see before and after. You see the difference? Now, in texture layer, if you have problems in your skins like bumps on your face, pimples, use the clear stem tool and correct it. I am fasting forward this video. Now see before and after, you might see their changes. See, and guys, we all done. Thank you.